What's up? What's up, everybody? It is 8:45, and I am doing some fishing since I have not been to fishing in a minute. And my buddy Scronnee is on here, so I'm gonna go hang out with him, see if we can catch some sharks today. Let me see if he said he named the room. Let's see if I can find it. There you go. What up?
What's good?
Then I had
Looking
to
for these sharks, boy.
I had to come put the video up first, just in case just in case you wanted to drop in with a shark on your boat.
Just in case a shark want to jump on my hook today. Hell yeah.
I remember that last time when I came in, you already had the shark on your boat.
I know. I was hoping it did it. I was hoping that shit happened again. I was like, come on, man, come on. But maybe it wanted to wait for you.
I thought first I was looking around. I was looking for the great white on room. And I didn't see it, and I seen your name, and I seen it was private. So oh, okay. I thought you were gonna leave it open so more people could come in.
I thought I did, but after that I hit it. I was like, it's too late. I had to close it again. But normally you get lucky with your red boat.
Yeah, you see, I had to go with the red today.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. Yeah, I started the little lake, but I caught a couple of fish, so yeah, it was boring.
Talking about the other maps.
Yeah, they added 2 more.
That was boring. They've been there for a minute too. I seen them. I just like I was actually gonna fish with Wanda the other day, but when she got on, my Oculus would not update for nothing. It would not do the update. But the whole time she was on, she was just over here just catching sharks. Oh wow. They're talking about they've been fixing stuff. They need to fix the doggone yeah, these great whites need to start jumping on this damn line. So we be out here struggling.
They need to release more.
Yeah. That's how it was at first. When they first started, they said people complaining about how hard it was to catch the sharks. And also, it wasn't none showing up. So they changed the number so it would show up more. So I know they could do it again.
I remember they were coming out hell, bam, bam, back to back eating those. Remember they were eating the grouper.
Yeah. Huh. This right here is not gonna help my tank.
Oh, what's that?
Blunt nose.
Oh, I was like, it sounded like somebody had something. You didn't say that. I was like, I heard that thing run, but I thought it was a runner.
Yeah, I just wanted to, let you see when it jumps.
You want to be an element of surprise.
Yeah.
What the hell?
I noticed you didn't say nothing about it, so I'm like, oh, he must didn't catch it.
Until I seen the shape of it, I was like, oh, that looks weird. Like a shark, nigga. Normally I hear the noise.
Oh, it was there. It just you were busy talking when it did it. It do feel good to finally get a shark though.
Yeah. Hopefully, you know how it goes. You catch one, I catch one.
I know, right?
I catch one, you catch one.
Well, I need to catch 6 or something. I need to have one of them days where I catch all the damn sharks
Right.
and you just make a tape. Then I'm gonna make sure I stop the video so I can
Leave it at 30. 30 minutes.
I got I got on, it was at 45. Over here it was 45. 8:45. So I caught this shark in like 6 minutes.
Yeah, it's 200. That's good at least.
Yeah,
Love that.
it was
The
alright.
200 range.
You know, I can't be happy with no blunt nose.
Barracuda. Yeah, they got me that shit. Everybody catches the damn barracuda.
I think I
need
had
that
one already.
Great white.
Yeah, I think I had one already.
Barracuda?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go look into the thing.
Let your fish go and go look.
Nah. Nah. It's about to come in here already, so we good. Oh, look at there.
Oh, another one.
I guess I don't have to look though. I can just see the problem.
Now he's calling his fish on the hook. Okay.
No,
The
man.
legend is back. The legend returns.
No.
Man, keep running. Where you get all these runners from, bud?
They still showing up in the same area. So for some reason today, I see like the spot's not going away. They're still sitting there.
Yeah, they need to fix they need to fix these bugs. You're right. They need to fix these problems. And then you're getting fucking fish that protect her over and over again.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Pretty soon they'll say shark right over here. Over here.
So did you put your Oculus into developer mode?
No. Negatory, sir.
I had set mine up for developer mode. Like I was gonna create something on here.
What you creating? A mess?
That's about it. That's it. Just get on here. I did not know that just caught a leopard shark.
Last one?
Huh?
What's that?
That last one was a leopard shark. I pretty much feel like I just went through the whole fish group right now.
Except for great white.
Yeah, I know, right? I think this one right here is I think it's the wahoo.
How is Wanda doing?
I don't know. I haven't heard from like a couple days. I tried to call them, but I didn't get no answer. They took and got the extra shot, the other shot for that booster shot. Like, I'm gonna set you an appointment up for that shot. I said, you don't have to worry about it.
I'm good.
I'm good. I'm good. I said, all I know is from the beginning, it said all you needed was that beginning shot. You already on your 4th extra shot. So I'm
Either
straight.
that old and paranoid. Well, they old though, so.
Yeah, they older. But she did it for the business and stuff, so she be doing the traveling around because of her job.
Yeah.
So I understand her situation, but my business, it's not in that realm, so I don't have to worry about that. All I do is stay at home.
Fish.
Well, apparently not enough. I had someone to tell me on YouTube. They said, "Hey, well, what's up with the fishing? They're just getting away, huh?" And it's all like I did this on fishing with Wanda and everything, but since they're not loading up on my phone, I'm like, it take the fun out of me doing the fishing to post it if I can't get it to load up.
Right.
And then I didn't even get on here at all. But I feel like I've been doing so many lives lately.
Busy with lives.
Yeah. So I think I have one friend on there. They don't believe that I work out only once. Oh wow, okay. Tell you, I pull so many different varieties.
Once a day.
Yeah. And like, we need to see the video. We need to have a live of what you do daily. What you do for the whole day. All I do is just once I do my thing, I go upstairs and watch TV. That's about it. And rest. And once I did the key, I was thinking about doing motorcycle. But when I went to go do the keyboard, do the shout out for the keyboard, it was pouring down outside. I said, "Well, there's your answer for that one."
That was over quick.
I know, right? Cause at first it looked good. It looked good. It was outside. I was like, all right, it was like you go ride the motorcycle today. I could, you know what I mean? It's not like I can't ride it, cause I did learn how to ride anyway. In the rain. When I went to Harley Davidson class, most of it, like, it rained like every day I went to class, and so they said, "They make sure you get some rain gear, cause we still out here riding." I'm like, okay. But I didn't have no rain gear. All I just had a bunch of clothes on.
Yeah, fuck it. I ain't spend no money on that shit. I ain't gonna ride in the rain, damn it.
I was still trying to get my disability to where I'm at now. So I didn't have a lot of money to be trying to buy on extra stuff. I hear you got a runner though.
Yes, sir. Hopefully turn into a shark. Bye. I'm about due. Come on, Great White. I'm about due.
They need to get you a tiger.
Nope. Oh, I got an epic though. I got a funny, a beautiful purple shiny fish. Yeah, you didn't get one of these.
Nah, I didn't get one of those. Not yet.
Damn right.
What?
Only give it to the chosen ones. Watch you get one on your life.
I know. Yeah, Patriot.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that fat boy. Now that's a keeper.
He said, "Oh, I was just about to pull that line in." I was just about to pull the line in. But you know, they probably hit me with that one shark a day. Like you got your shark early, so now you're not gonna catch nothing else for the rest of the day.
Woo! What was that?
Not a shark. You tell you that one, not a shark.
Oh, I got another parrot, boy. Back to back.
He's on
Put
it.
that on your camera and play it.
He's on it.
Put that on your headset and play it.
It's there.
Boom. Epic. It's an epic day, bro.
So you got enough for the both of us now.
There you go. I need one more to break the tie. Let's go way out yonder and see what's out there floating.
I noticed when Wanda was catching all those sharks, she had the same fishing pole that we're using now. I used to have the other one where I could throw it out farther. So I switched it up so it don't go as far.
You're right. Stay local. Stay local to get the local fish, eh?
Yeah.
Throw it far, get those big old fish and
Yeah.
marlins and all the other shit. Maui, maki.
Yeah, we be tired of getting them things, man. Like, man, that's all you jumping on here for.
We like fuck big fish. Only big fish we get is shark, motherfucker. Well, that's not gonna be a shark.
Nope. It like it had a potential to be a shark, the way it came out so strong.
The way it was just fighting so hard and shit like.
I'm not saying anything now.
Oh. Boy, just got to red line, mate.
I see one that's way out there, but I can't get it. I'm not switching it. I'm not gonna switch up to try to go all the way out there. I could just use the floater. The floater will go out there regardless.
Use the force.
Let me see. Let me go to the floater. The floater will go out there. This is.
Barracuda.
Got that floater out there just chilling. How about when I switched to the floater, the doggone area where the fish was at disappeared? I still got a red line, so luckily. Oh, that's great white.
I'll take it. You like that, big boy? Or big ass
I go to the floater and they want to give your ass a great white.
Yes, sir. This is how we do it. Oh, that greenling. Uh-oh, come on, boy, jump. Oh, you faking me out. You faking me out. Sit your ass down.
Oh, my thing just glitched on me.
Oh shit, must be a personal best then.
Nah, I
For
don't
me.
have no nothing. It just glitched.
Okay. I'm just gonna suggest go to a different map.
I know, right? Apparently we don't need to now. Yeah, this shark, this fish over here running for his life like it's...
Big boy, look at that big old back.
Yeah, it looks like it's a nice size. It should be like in the 200.
Yeah, I think it's over, at least over 200.
It should be the way it's popping up over the dang water.
Yeah.
I see the fin and the tail.
Oh, you see it too?
Yeah.
All right,
So
all
if
right.
I see it, I see it from the smaller view. So it should be bigger on your end.
Might be that 161 I'm looking for. 261.
I don't know about all that though, but you know, you're trying to be pretty. You're trying to be pretty now.
Yeah, could be 300. I love that. I would love that. And it's being recorded. Shit.
Yep.
Put that on your Facebook, buddy. Tell all the anglers. Who's their daddy?
I'm gonna do another part, so in like maybe 7 more minutes or so, I'm gonna stop it and do another one. So that way you probably load up and have them doing like 30-minute videos. It should be able to go to my phone. 222, nice one.
222. I'll take that. Poke him in the eye. Poke him in the eye. Poke him in the eye. Poke him in the eye.
If my fishing pole was long enough, I'll poke him too.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the great white shark, 222. That's how I do it. Holla.
He's moving up on the great white list.
Oh, yeah, I got that one. All right, that makes 13 in my tank. Woo! Getting close to you, Jordan.
Apparently so.
Where you at, 32?
I think I needed like 13 more to have 50.
Oh, good lord, 13. Come on, let's get it back to back, baby. Back to back. Back to back.
Matter of fact, I'll just go and stop the video now and do another set. Go on to the second part, really.
Yeah, you should, because no shark. No shark for me!
I got a red line. Oh, this ain't no damn thing. That's either damn.
What is it? A big shellfish?
I see like the fin and stuff. You know, no shark gonna jump on something. You see a fin and everything on them. Today is June the 27th. Yellowtail. Now get ready for part 2. I'm gonna hit y'all, come back later and hit you with a part 2.